So what is impulse? Impulse is nothing but force into time. A large force acting on an object for a small interval of time. So product of force and time is called as impulse. And dimensional formula, if you check, or unit if you check, this is similar to that of the momentum. Both of them have the same unit. Dimensional formula is same. So let us see some examples to understand impulse. First it is, when a person is applying force with the cricket ball bat on the ball, then this is nothing but applying the force on the ball for a short interval of time. So large force is acting on the ball for a small interval of time. So this is called as impulse. Now in the same cricket game, and the moving ball is coming towards the fielder and he has to catch it. So you know very well, when he catches the ball, he has to withdraw his hands downwards. It doesn't catch as it is. So if he catches the ball as it is, he has to hurt himself. To minimize the hurt, he has to catch the ball by moving the hands downwards. Then the force of the impulse acting on him is reduced. Force అనేది ఆయన పైన, చేతుల పైన తక్కువ ఉండాలి అంటే ఇలా తీసుకోవాలి బాల్. So here also you can understand impulse. Next we have an activity to understand one more, that is a good example for the impulse and impulsive force. Let us consider a cushion. ఒక పిల్లో తీసుకోండి, తర్వాత గ్రౌండ్, ఫ్లోర్. So you drop one egg from the same height on the pillow and on the floor. The egg which is falling on the cushion or pillow doesn't break, whereas the egg which is fallen on the floor breaks immediately. Why? Here in both the cases height is same. So when height is same, something should be common here. Impulse is same. But what is different here? Force is different. In the case of the cushion, less force is acting on the egg for a long time. Smaller force acting on it for a long time. అంటే సపోజ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇంత హైట్ ఉందనుకోండి, ఇక్కడ పడ్డప్పుడు ఎగ్ ఇట్లా అని కొంచెం ప్రెస్ అయిపోతుంది. సో ద టైమ్ ఇంటర్వెల్ ఇంక్రీజెస్. సో బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ద టైమ్ ఇంటర్వెల్ increased in the time interval, so less force acts on it. Whereas in the case of the floor, more force is acting on the egg by the floor for a small interval of time. Time is different. Since time is different, forces are different. So సింపుల్గా చెప్పాలి అంటే, ఫ్లోర్ పైన ఉన్నప్పుడు ఎక్కువ ఫోర్స్ పడుతుంది, ఫోర్స్ ఎక్కువ పడితే న్యాచురల్గా దెబ్బ తగులుతుంది కాబట్టి పగిలిపోతుంది. కుషన్ పైన ఉన్నప్పుడు తక్కువ ఫోర్స్ పడుతుంది, సో పగలదు. సో కామన్ ఈజ్ ఇంపల్స్. రెండు కేసెస్ కన్సిడర్ చేస్తే రెండిట్లో ఇంపల్స్ సేమ్ ఉంటుంది, ఫోర్స్ వేరే ఉంటుంది. ఫోర్స్ వేరే ఉండడం వల్ల పగులుతుంది, అది మనం గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాల్సింది. So impulse is same, forces are different. More force is in the case of the egg which is falling on the floor.
To learn with Vguru, join us, download our app in Play Store. Have a happy learning.